This is 2247 Route 2 in Hermon. It's the downstairs apartment of a duplex. It's a one-bedroom. The garage actually goes with the upstairs unit. And this is a first floor. Actually, it's downstairs. Go down a few steps. And it is on the same level with the laundry. The laundry is shared with the upstairs unit, and it is free, so there's no cost to the tenant. So there's washer dryer right here, which is just outside the unit. This is the door that enters the unit. There's a little space outside here. And then this door goes into the actual unit. And it's actually all one really large size room. This would be sort of the living area. Has that really nice wood laminate floors all the way through. And it's the kitchen, dining area, plenty of room for table and chairs. Built-in microwave, lots of cupboard space. And then this is the bedroom. There is no overhead light in the bedroom, so you would have to get lamps for lighting in here. And then it does have a nice big double closet. And it has mirrored doors, double doors. And then over here is the bathroom. It does have a shower. It doesn't have a full tub bath. It has a nice big linen closet. Lots of storage in here. It does have a vanity and then this mirrored vanity. So again, it's a pretty good size. It's all open concept, combination living, dining room, and kitchen. All on one floor. So that concludes the video tour for 2247 Route 2 in Hermon, one bedroom. If you have any questions, you can see us on rentbangor.com or call 207-974-6606.